is I have some pork loin that I chopped up into about 1-inch cubes. Go ahead, I got my all-purpose seasoning here. You want to be really generous with this. In there like that. Alright, take this off. One more good healthy dose. Alright, get that in there like that. Go ahead, we're going to go and put them right on the rack. You want to space them out a little bit. Now these are going to cook on here for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I have the smoker set at 200. We're going to be running the competition blend, hardwood pellets, and some apple pellets. Go ahead and put them on your smoker. As I said, they're going to take about 2 hours. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make a little bit of an Asian glaze to go with this. Alright, so go ahead and make an Asian glaze here to go over top of them. First thing I have some sweet soy sauce, about a half a cup. Got some Worcestershire sauce here, about 2 tablespoons. Now, I have some apple cider vinegar, should be about a cup left in here. Yeah, about a cup of apple cider vinegar, perfect. And some fresh ginger paste, about 1 tablespoon. That in there like that. This is going to be a real thin sauce, it's not going to be thick. That's just going to bring out the flavor of the pork, and it's also going to bring out the flavor of the chipotle powder. I'm going to go with a little bit more soy sauce. Another 2 tablespoons. See how that did. Perfect. Ah, nice. You can taste the ginger, you can taste the soy sauce, the Worcestershire. Alright. Now what you can do is you can either put this in the ice box or just leave it to the side. And what you're going to do is you're just going to brush it over top of the pork while it's cooking. So what we're going to do is we're going to take advantage of it and put it right here and just let it sit out. Do me a favor, in the meantime, please leave a comment below. It helps out my channel. Make sure you check us out on Amazon, Patreon, Facebook, and Instagram. Alright, so these have been on here for about 20 minutes now. We're going to go ahead and start basting them. As I said, we got that mixture there. What we'll do is just going to give a good coat. Now leave a comment below. What do you like to put on your pork? What kind of seasonings do you use? Back in another 15 minutes and we'll do it again. Alright, welcome back. We're about 2 hours here. We're going to go ahead and pull these off. Give them a quick check, see how we're doing here. They look absolutely outstanding. Let's take a quick temperature test here, see how we're doing. 180, 175. Here's are ready to go. Hey, do me a favor, take a look at the description below. I'm going to leave a link for it for ThermoPro. You can get yours there. It'll help out me and help out my channel. Alright, one last thing to do here before we take these inside. I gotta try one of these. Oh, look at these things. Staying soft. Look how soft they are. They just break right apart. And juicy, delicious, the flavor. Oh man, it's just packed with a ton of flavor. You got the heat of the chipotle. You got that apple cider vinegar coming out. You got that sweet soy sauce. One hell of a combo. Got to try this, guys. Pair this with some white rice, and I'm telling you, man. Alright, take care. God bless. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, happy eats.